Sweet. Paper's on fire. Paper's on fire. Oh boy.
Oh.
Don't burn the tire.
That is not going out.
Is it still going?
Yeah. It's
How does a plumber and a woodworker put a fire out? With your feet.
I think it's 2x4.
Kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a system.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today we're over at Andy Rawls' place.
This is my place. How's it going, guys?
Yeah, so Andy asked me to come by and help him do some welding on his Airstream trailer. There's the skin right over there. If you haven't seen this build, he's been doing it for what now?
I'm on video. We're on video 6.
Video
Started
6.
in the beginning of the year, January.
Yeah, the last one that I saw was his wife giving him some grief about it not being ready. Well, he said it was going to be ready by the summer, and she said, which summer? Or something like that. It was pretty funny.
Just a side note to that. She's a very positive woman.
Yeah.
Trust me, I got a lot of not so nice comments on that. I was like, why is people's wives always so negative?
Yeah. Anyway.
She's just realistic.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm an optimist most of the time.
That's what I think too.
So we got these metal plates. We're going to put them on the front right here in this C-channel. And then he has some more C-channel right over there. And we're going to get it all welded up. So
yeah, these things typically had 2-foot cross members, and for some reason the 70s era had 4-foot in areas, and we got to fit water tanks in here, so we've got to put a little bit more.
this is our gauge on figuring out what speed and amperage we need to crank this welder up to. So this is a
Oh, you got your thicknesses here.
yeah, right. So we could get one of those plates and check it, and it will tell us what gauge do you know what gauge it is?
This is 12, and the plates were. Where's that tape?
So 12 gauge would be here.
I think those plates are 8-inch. Whatever gauge that is. I mean, it's probably close to the same.
Yeah, I think you're right. So we got 12 gauge, so 105 and 2.5. It's 035 is the wire size, and it's no, it's not non-shielded, so it's flux core wire. So we got E.
Oh, it's giving you the settings on the machine.
Yeah,
Nice.
E. So
Yeah,
we're at E, and then where is it telling us the?
The feed.
Yeah.
It's 2.5.
Oh, it's 2.5. Hello.
Maybe I could do this.
Yeah, maybe you should.
Just kidding.
May All right, we're done.
Just like that.
Just like that. A little prettier.
So do you move? Are you moving in a straight line with it, or is
I'm going in small circles
there,
like
so I can
that.
tell, yeah.
So you let it pull up. It's kind of hard to see with the sun on it, but if you're in a little bit darker environment, you can see it, the molten metal
Yeah.
pulling up behind it, and you kind of just, if you go too fast, then it doesn't heat up enough. You don't get good penetration.
Right.
But if you let it heat up, get that molten metal behind it, and then just go real slow and follow it through,
Yeah.
that's a lot better looking weld than the first one I did.
Yeah. Very cool. So I think maybe after those two, you'll be set.
Yeah,
It takes a little practice
right.
to get back in it.
Yeah, it's what do they call it for the MMA fighters? Ring rust.
There you go. I get the same thing when I cut dovetails. Like the first couple I cut, I'm like, this is horrible.
Yeah,
You start, oh, yeah. Back in the rhythm.
that's right. You want to try?
Dude,
Let's get you to do one of the top ones.
that's a hell of a tack. A little more there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. How do I do this? Just
Yeah. Okay, now
How's your
get
hand
there.
there?
You go. Go ahead.
oh.
You're way too far away from it.
Why is it so hard, dude?
I don't know. All right, now she's tacked up. Ready for the professional.
I took my helmet off on that one.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you look at it?
I have a bright light now.
Yeah, it happens.
That's not going away.
So, what I always tell my kids when I'm welding, either at the house or at the ranch or wherever, never look at the light because your eyes will turn to fish scales. And I don't think that's really true.
It's probably pretty scary for kids.
It is, but you scare the
That's
you scare the you know what out
how
of
it
them.
works. Yeah.
And both my boys now, every time I'm welding, and if I don't say anything, like get ready to hit the spark or watch your eyes or whatever, and I do it, and they're like, they yell at me like, Dad, you're gonna make our eyes turn to fish scales. And I'm like, see, it worked. So
He's probably a better welder than me too.
maybe, I don't know. All right, let's go.
Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh.
Go. There you go. Small pools. Slower. There you go. Stop. Did you hear?
It felt a little different.
Did you hear? Okay, at the beginning when you were going,
kind of bouncing.
it was go pop,
Yeah.
pop, and then when you slowed down, it stopped popping. That's how you know when you're going too fast or too slow.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Well, not too slow, but
I see what you're saying though.
Okay.
It's like a sweet spot.
that's correct.
Okay.
Well, right there. There you go. Yeah, you were getting it right there at the end.
Yeah, man.
It's looking better. It looks better than that one.
Yeah, that's all I want to see is some improvement.
That's right.
Yep.
Absolutely. Looking good. All right.
Let's actually get some work done then.
Okay. Game on.
Game on.
Do you want to grind them down and then I can re-weld it?
If you think we should.
Probably.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and weld the bottom over here, and you can grind on that one, and then we'll switch. Got our metal trimmed up, got that one done to take in account for the plates that we added. We got this one done, and we got that one all notched up and everything, so we're gonna start welding. Maybe Andy can get his stride this time. Yes.
I don't feel so confident.
Come on, Andy, you're supposed to be the man. Now if this was wood, we'd be done already.
Maybe. I'd probably be too meticulous.
Oh, well.
But I certainly would be doing a better job.
So Andy is welding the tops of all the C-channels right now, and he's done this one right here. He's getting on the second one. We've got them all tacked up right now, and we're just going through and welding them up. So he's doing a good job. First time welding.
do you think?
Doggy.
It looks, to me, that looks really bad, but...
Do you need a job? No, I got a job. No, it looks good. You're doing good.
So when you break all that off, then it...
Yeah, where's your metal hammer at?
See, now that I'm like...
There's not a lot of slag on it, but if we were to hit it with the grinder, with the brush, it would clean up a lot better.
See, now that I'm kind of getting the feel for it, I think it's a lot of fun.
It is.
Yeah, I need to get a welder.
Definitely maybe.
Definitely maybe. Or I could just have you come over. You are my welder.
Hey, Lincoln, you want to sponsor Andy and I? Give us a welder or two? 2 welders?
A couple masks.
Some TIG welders, MIG welders, arc welders. How about 1 welder that does everything, or 2 welders that do everything? There you are. Sweet. Paper's on fire. Paper's on fire. Oh boy.
Oh.
Don't burn the tire.
That is not going out.
Is it still going?
Yeah.
How does a plumber and a woodworker put a fire out? With your feet.
I think it's 2x4.
There you go.
Woo.
Andy's prepping the metal over there, cleaning some of the paint off. We got all of our C channels welded up. Look at this one. This is probably my prettiest weld yet. She's looking, she's pretty looking party. Got a nice bead on there. So those are all done. I taught Andy how to weld, kinda. I mean, I'm not a very good teacher.
No, you taught well, man.
He's a great welder.
I wouldn't say that. That's nice, though.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Nice
We're gonna, we might be doing some stuff in the future.
Yeah,
If Andy will have me back.
absolutely, man. I appreciate the help.
You're welcome. I'll put the link to Andy's channel below. Go check him out. Go sub to him. He's a great guy. We click very well. We're both 38.
Hey, that's 81.
There's something there. Kind of just, we're spirit animals.
Yeah. I think we worked pretty well together.
Yeah, no, I agree. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it, man. Appreciate the help.
What did he? I asked him what his outro was, and he goes, "Bye."
I need an outro.
I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies! I want everybody on it. Everybody. Now, try to run. You dang land.
Good shit.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
4th beer.
Patrick.
Ain't sitting too good.
Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10% really got me going.
Is that DNR?
All right, cook those. Cook those 2.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.